How to turn off account suggestions notifications. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off account suggestions notifications on Instagram. It's so easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Instagram, go to your profile and click on those three lines up there and click on setting. Now click on the second choice, which is notifications, and click on following and followers. Scroll down and you have account suggestions. Click on off. And now you turn it off, your account suggestions notifications. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.